want to know why you have an F in my classroom?
Because I have a short attention span.
No, because you don't know how to navigate Google Classroom.
How do I navigate Google Classroom?
This is a giant stack of papers that represents your missing assignments for shock value.
How is that supposed to tell me how to navigate Google Classroom?
There's your short attention span.
How does it, what, like,
I don't want to hear it. I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Classroom.
okay.
First off, how do you log in? Start by searching up Google Classroom and clicking on this link. Once you're on this screen, log in. The easiest way from here is to log in with Google. Put in your school email and password if needed. Now you're in. So let's go over all the cool things you're able to do. To add a class, click the plus sign on the top right of your screen. Put in the code that your teacher will supply and put join. Now that you're done with that, let's move back to the home page and click on To Do. Here, you will find all current assignments, ones that you are missing and those done. This will be super helpful to stay organized and turn in things on time. You can also check in on assignments in each specific class. Just click on the class you want to go into and then click Classwork. Gray assignments are done, whereas the colored ones have not yet been completed. Lastly, let's go into assignments specifically. To upload on a Google Doc link or file to an assignment, you'll go here. You can also private message your teacher if needed on an assignment as well. And most importantly, don't forget to click Turn In once everything is uploaded and ready. That's all. Now experiment with it and get your assignments done.